and the same great chocolate taste.
National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, Clark County in northeastern Georgia, northern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated possible flash flooding from thunderstorms over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Winterville, Whitehall, Athens, Bogart and Statham. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, as well as highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using #GAWX.